Okay, so here is the main Google page. I'm gonna go to my Google Drive and I'm gonna press new, go to Google Sheets, and we're gonna start with the template. So there's so many templates you can use in Google Sheets. You have monthly budget, which is what I'm gonna show you today. But there's a bunch of things on here. You can do a to-do list, you even have calendars, all types of things. Purchase order, expense report, just projects for like business things. But anyway, so you click monthly budget, and as you can see, you have a start balance of 1,000 and end balance of 1,500. But let's say I plan to spend at least 1,000 in a month. So I can edit here, and I actually spend 900. You can even, like, going in here, like, you can put for groceries. Let's say I'll spend like 200 a month on groceries. Transportation, let's say I spend like at least $80 in gas a month, and then for rent, let's say 600. So like, anyway, you can just see like how you can edit right there, and you can also add a category too, like let's say sorority fees. Or wait, since there's already categories, you can just customize it and put like sorority fees. Like for me, I'll put like 100 a month. And over here you can put like what you have in your savings, like what your paycheck is, and stuff like that. And down here, wait, let me move this a little bit so you can see it. But down here, it's like, it says summary and transaction, so you can switch over, and your expenses are right here, and you can also change this to anything that you want to, and enter like how much like you spent and what date you did that spending on, and then how much you made. And like you can do your paycheck, or you can do savings, bonus, interest, any of that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much monthly budget. It's really cool. So I'm gonna go back to Google Sheets and do a blank Google Sheet and show you how to share. So let's say you're doing a group project. So let's put group project, and then I'm just gonna put group member name. This is where their names would go. Let's say Jan, Jack, and Carl. And then you can put data that you found for the project. Let's just put data as in like numbers. So we'll put 123, 56, and 12. And so on. Like, you can just do whatever. But let's say you want to share it, you press share, and you can add people like by their email. Like for example, I'll just add my iCloud, I guess, and like you can put a message here and like put whatever you want to. You can also go to settings and see, you can change whether or not the editors can have permission and share this document, or whether or not viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy it. So you can change that, but I'm going to keep it. But yeah, I don't know if I send this to my iCloud if I'll get it, because that email is just kind of wacky. But anyway, you get the point. You can put whoever you want. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. And that is it.